Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Rocket League. First, let's cover the fundamental controls and objectives. Your primary goal is to drive your rocket-powered car to hit a giant ball into the opposing team's net. You'll use the left stick to steer, the right trigger to accelerate, and the button or X button to jump. Mastering these basic movements is crucial for getting started and enjoying the fast-paced action. Mastering your car's movement is key to success in Rocket League. Practice driving forward and backward, and get comfortable with sharp turns to position yourself perfectly for shots or saves. Jumping allows you to hit balls in the air, and a double jump gives you even more height. Remember to collect boost pads scattered across the arena. Boost is essential for fast plays, powerful shots, and quick recoveries. Now let's talk about scoring and defending. On offense, aim to hit the ball with power and accuracy towards the opponent's net. Don't just chase the ball, try to anticipate its trajectory. Defensively, always try to position your car between the ball and your own goal to block shots. Teamwork is vital. Communicate with your teammates to set up passes and ensure someone is always covering the net, preventing easy scores. Once you've mastered the basics, you can explore advanced techniques. Aerials, where you fly through the air to hit the ball, are incredibly effective but require practice. Dribbling the ball on top of your car allows for incredible control and setup plays. The best way to improve is to play regularly and utilize the in-game training packs. Consistent practice will sharpen your reflexes and elevate your gameplay to the next level.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.